Guys, what's up? I'll be making a video. So I don't know. I turned off my comments for some reason. I actually didn't. I don't know what's the problem, guys. I really want to see what these guys are saying because I'm recently not getting likes in video and subscribers. So I'll be making this video, and I saw my friend. His name is Tyler Banksy. He's the real one, and I hope Kaila's Steak see this video. So Steak and Kaila's. I made this video for you. I really loved your videos and I liked and subscribed. Thank you for making me happy. And I really like Stella Greenwood just like you. My dream is to meet Sammy in a game. As you can see, no way you're gonna look at this because you usually just play Stella Greenwood and I like watching you play Stella Greenwood. And I was hoping to get something good from you guys. I am not begging, but you guys don't need to what now again? Steak and Kailash, you don't need to give a brand up to me, but if you have did, I will really appreciate it. So guys, to tell me, and plus wait, I forgot to say this also, steak. If you saw this video, can you please like and subscribe? I'm your biggest fan. I've liked recently 2000, 2000 videos of you, and I really loved them. No, it wasn't 2000. I think it was 1000 videos, 1000 videos, and I really loved your videos. I don't care if you scare me. I just want to meet you, not in real life because I live in South Africa, but I don't want to know where you live. So I would really appreciate it if you give me like a brain note or something. So I see this guy. I'll be starting my video. This is nice. Oh, guys, plus the others that's watching. This guy said we're gonna keep my karama for. Guys, I hope this guy don't scare me because I have really good stuff in my base. And if he sells it, boom, my stream ends. And guys, as you know, I'm not a scammer and steal a brain note. If you don't scare me, you guys don't need to like. But if he scams me and he steals my brain note, I have to give I two best brain notes to him. So I'm praying he don't scam. Guys, his name. So I'm joining him right now. Let's see if he's gonna scam. I guess he's gonna scam now. Guys, just watch. I've been scammed a lot. Guys, he scammed me. Guys, I guess I lost 2 of my best brain rots. So guys, that's the person. I wanna cry now, but it's just a game. Everybody says that. Wow. See you guys. Bye guys. I lost 2 of my base brain rots, and I got stolen. I'm really sad right now. So can you see this video? Like it please. I'll really appreciate it. And give me a brain rot because I got scammed so many times. And that was my friend's brain rot. So I'll get in trouble now because but it's just a game guys. There's so many admin abuses. So see you bro. See you guys.